Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram privacy check problem. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue of Instagram privacy check, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your Instagram is up to date or not. Just tap on the Play Store and search for the Instagram. If it is not up to date, just update it from here. Then go back and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. Just tap on the app management. Just tap on the app list. Search for the Instagram. Tap on the Instagram. Once you have to click on the force stop. Again you have to click on the force stop. Just tap on the storage usage. Just tap on the clear cache and just tap on the clear data. Before clicking OK, you have to make sure that you had remembered your Instagram username and password. If you had remembered your Instagram username and password, just tap on the OK, then go back. And the third method is check whether your Instagram email ID and phone number is updated or not. Just tap on the Instagram app, just tap on the bottom profile icon, just tap on the top right side three lines, just tap on the settings, or you can just tap here, just edit profile. You can see your personal information setting, just tap on this. Email address and phone number is not up to date, just update it from here and enter the OTP what you will receive and just tap on the confirm. After that, then go back and check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the final method. Just tap on the settings, tap on the app management, just tap on the app list, search for the Instagram, just tap on the Instagram, just tap on the uninstall and tap on OK. After that, reinstall it from your Play Store and check. Hopefully, after trying all this method, your Instagram privacy check problem will be solved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram privacy check problem. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.